If you are holding XRP, we have a lot to talk about in this video. Where is the crypto market heading? What is going on with XRP? Where is it going next? In this video, we're going to be talking about it and much more. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. So if we take a look at the charts here, we can see very clearly XRP from the very bottom is up 106%. Absolutely crazy. XRP has recovered the majority of this dump. So you have about 6% left. XRP pumps about 6%. We've recovered the entire, massive crash. And I'm confident that this is going to happen relatively soon. And I'm also confident that XRP is going to be pumping to our $5 to $7 price target. Let me know if you guys agree with that price target in the comments below. Is that too bearish or is that too bullish? What do you guys honestly think by letting me know in the comments? But we can see XRP has still maintained this key support of $2. This $2 is a massive support. Not only that, if we zoom out and look where the candles are closing and we ignore this huge wick, XRP is trading and holding above this previous resistance area. As you can see, we are here, we are trading and holding above, closing above the previous resistance area. So structurally, this is a very good looking chart. And I'm confident that after we have now just retested the lows, XRP hit a low of $1.20, and we have retested these previous peaks here and bounced off very quickly. You can see how quickly this bounce has occurred. And when you see a bounce like this, very strong and very fast, it shows you that there are buyers, serious buyers, and they are loving these discounted prices. Let me know if you guys are loving these discounted prices as well. I was able to get some buys in at $1.50. If you guys got some low entries, I want to hear about it in the comments. Some people in my group, some people got $1.20, $1.30. Absolutely incredible. And we were in my community. We sold about a week ago. And guess what? We started buying on Friday after the market started crashing and dumping. We started buying in and we were able to get some buys at the bottom. If you guys want to follow my exact trades that made me $140,000 yesterday, join my community. Look, this trade is up $112,000. This trade $32,000. So about $140,000, $150,000. Make sure you guys join my WAP community, the VIP tier. So what I'm thinking now, we just had a very big pump after a huge crash. And what's pretty likely is a small little pullback. So I'm thinking XRP probably pulls back into this region here, 230 to 240. This is probably, we're going to be tested at some point soon. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, while altcoins were kind of pushing up, Bitcoin is just finding resistance. There's a lot of sellers kind of keeping Bitcoin down. So I'm thinking Bitcoin's probably going to pull back somewhere into this region here, maybe 112, 113, somewhere in this region. And I'm looking to go long and start buying altcoins again. So this is personally what I'm thinking, a small little pullback. We also have even this. Apparently, the SEC is expected to approve the first spot XRP ETF by October 18th. XRP to $5 seems fair, buckle up. The XRP ETF is very bullish for XRP. It's going to bring in billions of dollars very quickly. This is going to bring in so much money to XRP. When it happens, it's going to be crazy. It's not going to be right away, but over the next few months, the next year, the next 2 years, this is going to bring in so much money into XRP. XRP price recovers from the bottom as whales are buying the dip. So guys, whales are buying the dip. Whales are loading up. Everybody is buying. The market is bullish. They're going to be cutting rates. There's going to be a China deal. I mean, there is so many bullish catalysts that are taking place. In the next month, I think November is going to be extremely bullish. This month, yes, there's been some bullishness. We've been pumping. We've been doing some things. But November, in my opinion, is when the things are going to get absolutely out of hand in a bullish way. Make sure you guys are using my AlgoSniper trading indicator. It gave you guys a buy alert right before this pump and a sell alert before this massive crash. You guys can try today for free. You can also try my community for free. And you're going to also want to be trading over on Blofin. This is where you can buy and sell cryptos with the cheapest fees and get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus. And you can also trade up to leverage 150x. This is the platform that me and my community trade on. And guess what? It was working during this huge crash on Friday. All the links that I'm talking about are in my video description. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.